Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add collaborators to your board created on the pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website. Go to your homepage and after that tap on this Your Profile button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then select the board that you have created and after that tap on this More button at the top of the screen next to the name. Click on Edit Board, which is the first option. And after that you should scroll down a bit till you find the Collaborators section and tap on the plus icon on the right side of this section. Here you can select what the collaborators can do, so you can provide an inclusive permission, meaning that they can do almost everything, or they can only save and comment, and you can also invite other people, or people can request to join this board, so you can select from these options, and when you are done, click on the Done button down below, and then tap on the Done button again at the bottom of this section, and then it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.